Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have two items on my agenda. I'm going to unbox my Walmart beauty box, and I thought maybe we'd talk about these eyes. If that sounds like fun, then just keep watching. I'll start with the eyes. I had a company by the name of Myeyebb reach out to me and offer to send me some contacts. So of course I said yes. It is so much fun to be able to play with the color of my eyes, just like I play with the colors on my face. This pair is one of my favorites. This is in the shade Vika Green. It comes in a cute little package like this. They do send a case for you, and the prices are very reasonable online. By the way, this video is not sponsored. They sent them to me and asked if I would share my opinion with you, and I have no problem doing that. They feel comfortable in my eyes, and what I like most is that the prices are affordable. And then they have deals. I'm looking here and it says any 10 items for $99. They have bundle deals, and of course they did offer a special deal for me to provide for you. I will provide the link in the description box, and I will have a code for 20% off of your order, or I will have a code for buy two, get three free. Very cool. And at some point during this video, I will do a little eye change for you because I have another pair that I love. Let's get into the box. The Walmart Beauty Box is every 3 months, I believe. It is less than $7. Also, I thought it would be fun to do an entire face of makeup that you can find at Walmart that all does happen to be under $10. Love that for us. Drugstore pricing is getting ridiculous. There are some good products that are still out there that you can pay less than $10 for. So I had fun looking through the Walmart website, seeing what items they had that I own, that I enjoy. So make sure you check out the description box below as well. So with the Walmart Beauty Box, you do fill out a beauty profile quiz so that they have an idea of what to send you. There are different variations. It looks like my box is variation 5, and you get an assortment of hair products, skincare, makeup, all kinds of fun things. I've really enjoyed this box, so let's see what they sent me this month. It does come with a card. It says Spring Refresh hashtag Walmart Beauty Box, and inside it shows all of the products that you could have gotten in your box. Sometimes you get things that are not on this page, and it even says, don't see your product here? Your box may include an extra surprise we thought you'd love. I did look, and I believe all of my items are on this card, which is helpful. The first product that I have here is this Garnier Whole Blends Honey Treasures Restoring Solid Shampoo Bar. I have never tried a shampoo bar before. It is zero plastic packaging, 94% plant-based. Our bar blended with honey and beeswax help to protect hair against damage and breakage. Doesn't strip hair. Hair is healthy looking, soft, and shiny. This is what it looks like. Very cute. Smells clean. I think I can smell the honey. I will have to test this out. It says in the directions to wet it, lather up your hands, and then go through your hair. I'll do my best to keep you updated, but it's a fun thing to try, and then I'll know if I ever want to purchase it again at Walmart. Next, I have a sheet mask. This is the Vitamasques facial sheet mask in Acai Berry. It is moisturizing and brightening, triple layer sheet technology, a moisturizing face mask made with acai berry extracts to tighten and smooth your skin. Wash your face, put it on for about 20 minutes, and then pat the serums into your skin. Sounds good to me. Got 2 more skincare items in here. And the next thing that I have here is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Cream Face Moisturizer with Hyaluronic Acid. The full size retails for $22.97. Says delivers a vital boost of 9 times more hydration for quenched dewy skin that's full of life. Looks like I have a little sample here. I like the idea of a water cream, maybe Tatcha-esque for an affordable price. Neutrogena is usually pretty good. Two more items to talk about, and did you notice I changed the eyes? These are called Silvana Blue. Interesting little fact, my husband's name is Silvano. He goes by Sal, but I saw Silvana Blue and I thought, yes please. The next item that I have here is this one from number 7. This is the Future Renew Damage Reversal Day Cream with a broad spectrum of 25. It targets and helps prevent visible signs of skin damage, suitable for sensitive skin. I like number 7 products. This is nice. And the last product is this right here from Dove. This is the Advanced Care Travel Sized Dry Spray and a Perspirant in the scent Cool Essentials. Looks like a cucumber and maybe a mint on the front. Let's give it a sniff. The cap just fell off. I'm sure that's fine. Let me give it a shake. Yes. Mint, cucumber, fresh. Very nice. I will for sure try this out, travel with it. I've been sort of stuck in a rut with the same deodorant, and sometimes it's fun to switch it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in the Walmart beauty box. Am I disappointed that I did not get any makeup? A little bit. I would have liked to get makeup. I always enjoy getting makeup, and usually there's at least one makeup item in the box. So if you're watching Walmart Beauty Box, a little bit disappointing. I did see on this card they had a CoverGirl Clean Eye eyeshadow palette on here. I do own one variation of that. I wouldn't have minded having another. I believe I will use these items. It's fun unboxing. I never know what I'm gonna get, so that is joyful. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Let me know if you get the Walmart Beauty Box, if you got something different. I, of course, will have everything listed and linked below. Everything about the Walmart Beauty Box, not sponsored, as well as the products that I received, the products on my face, and of course, some more information about this Myeyebb BB. They have a lot of fun styles, from wild to regular, just changing the shade of your eyes. I appreciate them sending them to me, and I have enjoyed playing with them. Let me know which ones you liked better, the green or the blue. And let me know if you take advantage of the 20% off code or the buy 2 get 3 free. I thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and I look forward to speaking with you down in the comment section. Have a fabulous day.